Today our topic is current affairs bits part 12. These bits are useful to UPSC, SSC, RRB, PSUs. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. Cash scheme was launched by the central government to create awareness about the cleanliness of the children. The given options are A. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, B. Bal Swachha Mission, C. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, D. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana. The given option B is correct one, Bal Swachhata Mission. Bal Swachhata Mission is a scheme by the central government to create awareness about the cleanliness of the children. This scheme was launched on 125th birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. The national-wide Bal Swachhata Mission will have the following 6 themes: clean Anganwadis, clean surroundings, playgrounds, clean self, clean food, clean drinking water and clean toilets. उदय देश का आम नागरिक स्कीम फॉर रीजनल एयर कनेक्टिविटी will provide travel to Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities at the rate of dash per hour. The given options are A. 1500, B. 2000, C. 2500, D. 3000. The given option C is correct one, 2500. As per Udan scheme, the rate of an hour flight would be charges 20,500 per hour. The basic motto of the scheme is that to make the common citizen of the country fly and has two components. Firstly, to develop a new and enhance the existing regional airports, and secondly, to add new flight routes. Which Indian city has been recognized as the 2020 Tree City of World for its commitment to growing and maintaining urban forests? The given options are A. Indore, B. Chandigarh, C. Hyderabad, D. Bengaluru. The given option C is correct one, Hyderabad. Hyderabad, Telangana was recognized as the 2020 Tree City of World by the Arbor Day Foundation and the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. The city was chosen for this recognition for its commitment towards growing and maintaining the urban forest. Ministry of Science and Technology is implementing Inspire scheme. Here I stands for. The given options are A. Information, B. Innovation, C. Inspire, D. Immunization. The given option B is correct one, Innovation. Inspire scheme stands for Innovation in Science Pursuit for Inspired Research Scheme. It has 3 components: scheme for early attraction of talent, scholarship for higher education, assured opportunity for research careers. Which agency implements the midday meal scheme launched by the Government of India in 1995? The given options are A. Ministry of Human Resources Development, B. Ministry of Food Processing, C. Ministry of Agriculture, D. UNICEF. The given option A is correct one, Ministry of Human Resource Development. Midday meal scheme launched by Ministry of Human Resource Development, the Government of India in 1995. Mission Raftar project is associated with. The given options are air transport, B. road transport, C. water transport, D. rail transport. The given option D is correct one, rail transport. Mission Raftar project is associated with rail transport. It is an Indian Railways project to increase the speed of the trains on busy routes to reduce travel time. It was introduced in the Railway Budget of 2016-17 and approved by Niti Aayog in 2017. Which geoportal has been managed by ISRO, which allows users to explore a 2D by 3D representation of Earth's surface? Given options are A. Prithvi, B. Bhuvan, C. Dara, D. Bhumi. The given option B is correct one, Bhuvan. ISRO has developed Bhuvan geoportal, which allows users to explore a 2D or 3D representation of Earth's surface. Recently, Parliament passed the Jammu and Kashmir Official Language Bill 2020, which language is not recognized as the official language of Jammu and Kashmir in this bill. The given options are A. Kashmiri, B. Dogri, C. Hindi, D. Punjabi. The given option D is correct one, Punjabi. The Lok Sabha passed a bill under which Kashmiri, Dogri and Hindi, apart from the existing Urdu and English, will be the official languages in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. In 2015, a special semi-luxury train covering Jaisalmer, Jodhpur and Jaipur was launched by the IRCTC. What is the name of the train? The given options are A. Rajasthan Darshan, B. Rajasthan Queen, C. Desert Circuit, D. Desert Queen. The given option C is correct one, Desert Circuit. Desert Circuit is a special semi-luxury train covering Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Jaipur was launched by the IRCTC in 2015. Which of the following state government has launched Mukhyamantri Abhyudaya Yojana to provide free coaching to competitive students? Given options are A. Kerala, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Bihar. Given option B is correct one, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh state government has launched Mukhyamantri Abhyudaya Yojana to provide free coaching to competitive students. If you like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Like and comment about my video. Thank you.